Taking a shower at the cottage in Grand Lakes, a unique experience. One of the things you need to remember is that the water's been sitting in a tank under the house and it's cold, particularly this time of year. So what I do is I run the water in here first until it gets warm. And I can feel it's cold, even though the hot water lines are all insulated yet here. And I can hear the difference. Now you can hear there's more volume and it's getting warm. Okay. Now I shut it off and I come over here, and this is where the hot and the cold water come in. This is hot. So I put my hand here and I'm
all right, which is hot again?
This side.
Okay.
Inside it's always the left one. So I reach in and I turn the left one on. And I close the door. And then I wait for my hand to get warm. Okay, that tells me that there's hot water coming. Then I open the valve for the shower head. You can hear the difference. And I can feel it getting warm. So then I shut it back off. I open this up and I get in. And it's a French shower head and the water's coming out down here. So once I get in, I'm not going to get in there with my clothes on. I pick up the French shower head and then I turn on the cold water while it's still spraying down there, and I get the right temperature. And then I reach up and I turn the shower head valve on and turn off the French shower head. Now the water's coming out here, and then there's a fine tuning for the spray on there, and I put that where I want it.
All right.
And that's it.
All right.